Everyone, it's good to see you. Today topic subject pronoun. What is a subject pronoun? Subject pronouns are a type of pronoun that are used to replace or represent the subject of a sentence. They are called subject pronouns because they typically perform the function of the subject in a sentence. Subject pronouns help avoid redundancy and make sentences less repetitive. Definition of a subject pronoun. According to the Collins Dictionary, a subject pronoun is a pronoun which takes the place of a subject in a sentence, such as in English I, you or we. सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन क्या होते हैं? सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन ऐसे प्रोनाउन होते हैं जो सब्जेक्ट की तरह काम करते हैं सेंटेंस में। ये मोस्टली आई, वी, यू से शुरू होते हैं और सेंटेंस में सबसे पहले यूज़ किए जाते हैं। आई मीनिंग refers to the speaker or speakers. Example: I am going to the store. Sentence: I like to read books. The pronoun I is doing the action of going store or like to read a book and is the subject in the sentence. इस सेंटेंस में या इस एग्जाम्पल में जो द वर्ड आई है वो सब्जेक्ट है और एक्शन कर रहा है सब्जेक्ट की तरह। यू मीनिंग रेफर्स टू द पर्सन आर पीपल बीइंग एड्रेस्ड, मतलब जो दूसरा आदमी हो यानी जिसके बारे में या जिसके साथ हम बात कर रहे हैं उसे यू कहते हैं। एग्जाम्पल: यू शुड कम टू द पार्टी। सेंटेंस: आर यू फीलिंग ओके? The pronoun you is doing the action of coming to the party or feeling in the above sentence, so they are the subject pronoun in the sentence. He meaning refers to a male person or animal. Example: he is my brother. Sentence: he enjoys playing soccer. The pronoun he is the subject who is performing the action of telling his brother and enjoying game of soccer. She meaning refers to a female person or animal. Example: she is my sister. Sentence: she is a talented singer. From the above example and sentence, the word she is performing the action and is subject in the sentence. It meaning refers to a non-human object, animal or an abstract concept. Example: it's a beautiful day. Sentence: the book is on the table, it's blue. From the above example and sentence, the word it is performing the action and is subject in the sentence. We meaning refers to a group of people that includes the speaker. Example: we are going on vacation. Sentence: we like to watch movies together. From the above example and sentence, the word we is performing the action and is subject in the sentence. They meaning refers to a group of people or things that do not include the speaker. Example: they are coming to the meeting. Sentence: they have finished their project. From the above example and sentence, the word they is performing the action and is subject in the sentence. These subject pronouns are used at the beginning of a sentence or clause to represent the subject performing the action. They help make sentences concise and clear by avoiding the repetitions of nouns or names. In English language, subject pronouns are used to avoid repetitions of nouns when they have already been mentioned or understood in the context. They are generally used at the beginning of a sentence and are the ones performing the action. Subject pronouns practice exercise. Complete the following sentences with the correct subject pronoun. Dash dash went to the shop. Number 2, dash dash are going to the picnic. Like the same way, dash dash need to finish your work. Number 4, dash dash is cooking chicken tonight. Number 5, dash dash has a new car. Number 6, dash dash like to play cricket. Number 7, dash dash is raining outside the window. What will come in the blanks? I went to the shop. We are going to the picnic. You need to finish your work. He is cooking chicken tonight. She has a new car. They like to play cricket. It is raining outside the window. Understand subject pronoun with the help of this chart. This chart will help in understanding the subject pronoun. I hope you have understand the subject pronoun. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel, like the video, comment and share to your friends.